Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where we look for possible swing trades using technical analysis. Before we begin, all I ask is that you hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And today we're taking a look at Archer Daniels Midland, ticker symbol ADM. This is a mid-cap company with a market cap of $36 billion. It's in the food processing industry. And if you're following the news, you'll remember that there was an incredible gap down yesterday morning that has put ADM right at its 52-week low. And here we are on the annual chart for Archer Daniels Midland. And you can see this giant red candlestick that just drops far below all the other candlesticks. It was already trading below all the moving averages, but as of yesterday, share price has fallen drastically. Now, in case you're wondering what happened here, the CFO was apparently put on immediate leave regarding some accounting strangeness, shall we say. So this doesn't look good for the company, and whether or not they uncover wrongdoing or don't even want to speculate at the moment, but you can imagine the sort of thing that might make the CFO be put on immediate leave and cause such a significant drop in the share price. So if we look down at all the other metrics here, RSI here is well into the oversold zone and appears to be still falling, like it fell off a cliff. The stochastics, they were already in the oversold zone, but now they've simply taken a turn even lower. The volume chart shows a massive spike in selling yesterday, and the MACD posted a giant red candlestick down and was already trading well below the zero line there. Although it did look like it was perhaps starting to recover a bit, this has just thrown everything way off. So if we switch over quickly here to the fundamentals for just a very brief overview, you'll see there's a low short interest at just over 1% and solid institutional ownership at 78%. The debt ratio here shows it has less debt than 71% of others in the food processing industry. The PE ratio is lower than 78% of other companies in the industry. PE is 9.5. And I'm not sure if that is adjusted for today's precipitous drop in share price or not, but we can wait a few days and see if it adjusts. And the gross margin is unfortunately low for ADM. The gross margin is only 7.78%, which is lower than 80% of other companies in the industry. Now, conversely, the operating margin is better than 67% of its peers. Now, the operating margin is only 4%, 4.05%, which is not that impressive. And I understand they typically run on very slim margins, but when you have a low gross margin and a low operating margin, it doesn't put the company in a great position. Still, they have produced positive returns, and it overall looks to be solid. Return on equity here shows that it is above average, beating out 82% of others in the industry. It's a flat 16% ROE, and return on invested capital just over 11%. That is decent as well. Certainly nothing to be worried about. Growth rate is average. Dividend yield here of 2.64%, approximately twice the market average, is still lower than average for the food processing industry, but can't complain really about a 2.64% dividend yield. And the payout ratio is less than 25%, so that dividend is quite secure. Now, we do want to switch over here just quickly and take a look at the analyst price targets. See the average price target here, $74.09, well above where it is now by a huge margin. And I'll also point out, you can see that the share price has started to recover a bit in the after hours trading, and not one of the analysts, even those who have rated it a hold or even a sell, Not a single analyst has a share price target as low as it is right now. So all this to say, it is possible that Archer Daniels Midland presents a buying opportunity. And I will say that I worked out the discounted cash flow and discounted dividends prices, and they were both slightly over $90 a share. But given the uncertainty regarding the CFO's abrupt dismissal, I'm not sure that would be an appropriate target anymore. Still, if Wall Street is expecting a $74 or so target price, and we're just above $50, then this could, as I said, be an excellent buying opportunity. But please let me know what you think of Archer Daniels Midland in the comments below. And if you enjoy having ideas like this sent to you, please hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos post. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence when analyzing any company that you plan to invest in. But of course, if you'd like me to take a look at any specific company using these metrics, I'd be happy to do so. Just let me know in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.